in this video, I'm going to show you how to get USB pass-through working with a Linux host. So, in VirtualBox. So, let's go to terminal. We're going to have to install sudo apt install dkms. Hit enter. We're going to type in our password. Already installed it. The next one is Genome System Tools. So it's sudo apt install Genome System Tools. Oops. Okay. And once that's done, the next step is go to user groups in Ubuntu. We're going to go to manage groups. We're going to go all the way down to VBox users. We go to properties. We're going to click our name and then we're going to hit OK. We're going to type in our password again so we get added to that group. Third time's the charm. Alright. Then close that out. And then from here, you need to log out and then log back into your computer. You can do that by going over to here, click log out, and then say okay. It'll log you out, then log right back in. And then from there, you should be able to see USBs inside of the settings. Go to settings. Go to USB, and depending on what speed your USB is, click it. My little USB is 3.0. You're going to click the plus sign and you're going to pick what you want to pass through. So let's pass through my USB disk and then hit OK. Then start. Type in our password. Now let's see if our USB made it through. Hey, it did. Awesome. Thank you for joining me, and that's all for this video.